Okay, packed up, ready to head out of the Longhorn Saloon, day 6. But I'm not very far from where I'm going and where I'm staying for a week here in beautiful Las Vegas. I probably won't do a video every day, but I'll kind of do little things and combine the whole week into one video. I don't think I'll be riding around too much. All right, see you in a bit. Well, it's day 13. And I'm here in Vegas, just packed up the bike. Another perfect day. Hear a rooster going next door. Anyway, I've been here for a week, but I literally didn't do anything except spend some quality time with the wife. I don't see her that often, so I didn't even fire up the bike. Anyway, we're heading out today, Cave Creek. And I've got a campsite there for 3 nights and gonna meet up with a brother of mine and ride around Arizona. All right, see you on the road. Oh, we're just going through Boulder City, next to the Hoover Dam. And we might stop in there. We'll see. I'm in no rush. I got an early start today and don't have to go far. Campground I'm going to is like a 4.5 hour ride if you ride without stopping, but you know me, I stop a lot. Hoover Dam Lodge. Yeah, I guarantee this video isn't going to do this justice. It's just awesome. Colorado River down there. Amazing. About an hour outside of Cave Creek now. Saw that Dairy Queen sign, man, I couldn't pass that up. Well, Cave Creek, Arizona. Day 13. This is my backyard. And this is my side lot. Yes. And right across there is the shower and the washroom. I chose this site because it's right across from it. And so if I have to get up in the middle of the night, I don't have to stagger far. It's a little bit pricey. It was like probably $34 per night. I have hydro. I have a water tap at my site. But, you know, that's about half the price of a hotel. So here's my driveway. And there we go. There's the bike. There's the tent. And we're going to be here for 3 nights. So may as well settle in and get comfortable. All right, day 13 comes to an end. Hopefully we're going to go riding into some ghost towns and shit like that tomorrow, which will be day 14. All right, later. Okay, there's my camp there. Men's washrooms, men's showers. Have a look. And it's hot water too. Damn. Right? And it's free. And it's hot water. All right. Okay, that's it. Day 13 done. Showered, ready to relax. Later.